Life insurance and divorce. Devin Slavinsky with Slavinsky Divorce and Family Law. You may have some questions about what to do about life insurance while you're going through a divorce. Do you have a term policy with no cash benefit, or do you have a policy with cash value that needs to be divided as part of your divorce? Who owns the policy? Is it you, your spouse, or is it both of you jointly? Is it through an employer, or is it a private policy? This will impact how the policy is handled during the divorce. During the divorce, it's fairly likely that during the pendency of the divorce, both parties will be ordered to not make any changes to the life insurance policy. But what about after the divorce? You may want to keep it, transfer ownership to your ex-spouse, or change beneficiaries if necessary. In cases where both parties own the policy jointly, a decision must be made as to what to do with it. Are you going to continue to share the policy? Are you going to cash it in and share the cash value of the policy between the two of you? When it comes to naming beneficiaries, make sure to review and update your beneficiaries after the divorce is finalized. Regardless of what your divorce decree says, some life insurance policies do not automatically revoke your spouse as a beneficiary at the end of the divorce. So you're just going to want to go ahead and do that after your divorce unless you're under a court order to keep them as a beneficiary. If your children are named as beneficiaries, be sure to specify how the benefits are going to be managed and paid to them. Are they going into a trust, a special account for minors, or just direct cash to adult children? Your divorce may also impact the amount of life insurance coverage you need. For example, if you are relying on your ex-spouse for financial support, you may need to increase your coverage or take out a new policy. If you and your spouse can't agree about what to do with a life insurance policy, a judge may decide for you. The judge may order the other spouse to maintain a life insurance policy for your benefit in order to cover a spousal support obligation, or otherwise keep the spouse as a beneficiary on a policy. It's important to communicate with your insurance to make necessary updates, ensuring that your life insurance meets your current needs. Don't forget about any other insurance policies you have, like short-term disability or health insurance. Often these need changes during divorce as well. If you're going through a divorce and need some help thinking through life insurance and how it impacts your divorce, we'd love to talk to you. Feel free to give us a call.